Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on Doppler effect. The question is as follows. A submarine A traveling at 18 km per hour is being chased along the line of its velocity by another submarine B traveling at 27 km per hour. B sends a sonar signal of frequency 500 Hz to detect A and receives a reflected sound of frequency f. Then the value of f is close to. Given that the speed of sound in water is equal to 1500 meters per second, the options are 499 Hz, 502 Hz, 504 Hz and 507 Hz. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. The situation is shown in the figure. For the emitted sound, the direction from source S to observer O is taken as positive. Let the speed of source is equal to Vs, speed of observer is equal to Vo, speed of sound is equal to V, and frequency of emitted sound is equal to f. Therefore, apparent frequency as heard by O is given by f dash is equal to V minus Vo by V minus Vs into f. We observe that O is moving away from S, therefore Vo will tend to decrease the apparent frequency, and S is moving towards O, therefore Vs will tend to increase the apparent frequency. Now for the reflected sound. The situation is shown in the figure. In this case, O becomes the source and S the observer. And sound is traveling from O to S. Therefore, the direction from O to S is taken as positive. Therefore, speed of source O is equal to minus Vo, speed of observer S is equal to minus Vs, speed of sound is equal to V. Therefore, the apparent frequency as heard by S is given by f double dash is equal to V plus Vs divided by V plus Vo into f dash. In this case also, we observe that O is moving away from S, therefore Vo tends to decrease the apparent frequency, and S moves towards O, therefore Vs tends to increase the apparent frequency. Now for the answer. For the emitted sound, frequency of sound emitted by submarine B is given as f is equal to 500 Hz. Velocity of source Vs is equal to 7.5 meters per second, and velocity of observer, which is submarine A, is Vo is equal to 5 meters per second. Therefore, apparent frequency as heard by A is given by f dash is equal to V minus Vo divided by V minus Vs into f, which is equal to 1500 minus 5 divided by 1500 minus 7.5 into 500 Hertz. We will not evaluate this expression for a purpose. Now for the reflected sound. Sound is reflected from A, therefore A is the source of reflected sound of frequency f dash and B is the observer. Therefore, direction from A to B is taken as positive. Since submarine A is the source, we have velocity of source is equal to Vo, which is equal to 5 meters per second, and velocity of observer, which is submarine B, is equal to Vs, which is equal to 7.5 meters per second. Putting these values in equation 2 and simplifying, we get f double dash is equal to 501.6 Hertz. Therefore, the required frequency f in the question is close to 502 Hertz, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.